How do beauty queens, celebrities, and top models look like this? Do you want to know their secret? Miss Belt, your ideal figure in just 2 steps. Step 1, compresses and supports. Step 2, slims your waist instantly. The secret is in the dual compression technology that firmly tightens around your waist, abdomen, and back for an instant hourglass shape.
I've been wearing it for the last 3 months, and I can't tell you how good it's been for me. Miss Belt gave me back my waist.
Tucks your belly, slims your waist, supports your back, feel more firm and toned, shapes your figure. In just seconds, you can have a slimmer waist.
My girlfriends told me about it, but I never thought that it was going to be this good.
Don't get stuck in your shapewear. Other products impress your midsection, but they are not adjustable, so you feel stuck and uncomfortable. But Miss Belt is instantly adjustable, so you can loosen it or tighten it on the go. Wear it over or under your clothes while at home, walking, working, at the gym. Wear Miss Belt to hide your baby body instantly. No matter what you do it with Miss Belt. You deserve to feel sexy, secure, and confident. No one will know you're wearing it, but he will notice.